Hello and welcome to this video on mastering assertive communication. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you wanted to express your needs, opinions, or boundaries but didn't know how to do it effectively? If so, you're not alone. Many people struggle with assertive communication, but the good news is that it's a skill that can be learned and mastered. In this video, we'll explore what assertive communication is, why it's essential, and how you can master it with practical tips and techniques. We'll start by defining assertive communication and differentiating it from passive and aggressive communication styles. Then, we'll dive into the benefits of assertive communication and how it can help you in different areas of your life, such as personal relationships, work, and conflict resolution. Part 1. Defining assertive communication. Assertive communication is a communication style that allows you to express your needs, opinions, and boundaries in a clear, confident, and respectful way while also considering the needs and feelings of others. It's different from passive communication, where you tend to prioritize others' needs and feelings over your own, and from aggressive communication, where you prioritize your needs and feelings over others. Part 2. Benefits of assertive communication. There are many benefits to using assertive communication. For example, it can help you build trust and respect with others, improve your relationships, increase your self-esteem and confidence, and enhance your problem-solving and decision-making skills. It can also help you avoid misunderstandings, reduce stress and conflict, and achieve your goals more effectively. Part 3. Tips and techniques for mastering assertive communication. Now that we've established what assertive communication is and why it's essential, let's dive into some practical tips and techniques for mastering it. We'll cover topics such as how to express your needs and opinions clearly and respectfully, how to handle conflicts and difficult conversations, and how to build trust and rapport with others. We will provide examples and scenarios of how to apply assertive communication in different situations. For example, role-playing a difficult conversation with a partner or family member, giving feedback to an employee or coworker, handling a customer complaint or conflict with a colleague, negotiating with colleagues or superiors, giving feedback to employees, handling conflicts with customers or clients. Expressing your needs and opinions clearly and respectfully. Use I statements instead of you statements. Be specific and concrete about what you want or need. Use a respectful and non-judgmental tone. Listen actively to the other person's response and validate their feelings. Negotiate and find common ground if necessary. Handling conflicts and difficult conversations. Acknowledge the other person's perspective and feelings. Stay calm and composed, even if the other person becomes defensive or aggressive. Use active listening and paraphrasing to clarify misunderstandings. Identify the underlying issue and explore possible solutions. Set boundaries and stick to them if necessary. Building trust and rapport with others. Be honest and transparent about your thoughts and feelings. Show empathy and understanding towards others. Use positive body language and eye contact. Give and receive feedback in a constructive and respectful way. Follow through on your commitments and promises. Part 4. Pitfalls to avoid. While assertive communication is a powerful and effective communication style, there are some pitfalls to avoid. We'll explore common mistakes that people make when trying to be assertive, such as being too aggressive or too passive, and how to avoid them. We'll also cover how to recognize and handle difficult people or situations that can challenge your assertiveness. One common pitfall of assertive communication is being too aggressive. When we become overly assertive, we may come across as demanding, insensitive, or hostile. This can lead to conflicts, misunderstandings, and damaged relationships. To avoid this pitfall, it's important to monitor your tone, body language, and choice of words. Focus on expressing your needs and opinions clearly and respectfully, without attacking or belittling others. On the other hand, another pitfall of assertive communication is being too passive. When we are too passive, we may avoid conflicts or suppress our own needs and feelings to please others. This can lead to resentment, low self-esteem, and missed opportunities. To avoid this pitfall, it's important to practice self-assertiveness and stand up for your rights and values. Use I statements, such as I feel, or I need, to express your thoughts and emotions in a non-blaming way. Finally, assertive communication can also face challenges when dealing with difficult people or situations. In these cases, it's important to recognize the signs of aggression, defensiveness, or manipulation, and respond assertively but calmly. Use active listening skills, such as summarizing or clarifying, to show that you understand the other person's point of view. Use assertive statements, such as, "I understand your position, but I also need," to negotiate and find win-win solutions. Thank you for watching this video on mastering assertive communication. We hope you found it informative and helpful. Remember, assertive communication is a skill that takes practice and patience, but the benefits are well worth it. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on communication skills, leadership, personal development, and more. See you in the next one.